guys, it's Yvette and Jelly Bean, and I am here with the Cat Lady box. I know I'm a little bit late opening this. I keep getting, I'm always late, but I'm so sorry. I definitely have to open it today. It is like the 19th of October, and I need to wear my cat ears. So I just cut the tape. Let's get it open. Jelly Bean's ready. I know that. Okay, Jelly Bean, where's Mommy gonna put the box, bud? You're like sitting right where the box goes. Okay, everything's flying out, bud. How about you come this side? Let me scooch the box here. Don't put your booty in everybody's face. Okay, here we go. Here is the artwork for October. This is the Black Cats box. That is adorable. Okay, so I have to turn it sideways so I can read this. The featured cat lady artist is Kaylee Hicks. And I will give you some information down below on Kaylee Hicks so that you can go and check out more of her artwork if you'd like to. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Jelly Bean, what are you doing, baby? Did you take something out? It's okay to take something out, but you gotta tell Mom. What are you looking for? What you looking for, buddy? Did you find it yet? No? He's pawing around. He wants to, he's like putting his tail in my coffee. Are you serious right now? Dude, you can't just sit there. All right, I'm just gonna pull something out from under his booty. All right. This feels like a cat toy. You guys. It's a cat dressed up like a unicorn. At least I think that's what that is. I have no idea. That's the first thing I thought. Hold up. Let me see what they're saying this is, because he's taking a nap. He's like laying down in there. Okay. It says, I was right. It's a Municorn. It's a Municorn with a cape, colorful hair, and impossibly cute Municorn horn. This cute black cat has the perfect costume. It's almost too cute to give to your cats. Almost. Y'all, my favorite toys are all over this house. Like that little sloth. Do y'all remember the little sloth? Every time I see these guys playing with the little sloth, I squee every time. Okay, so I'm going to cut the tag off so that they can have this. I know I'm always cutting the tags off. I know that they're trying to advertise themselves, but I know who it is, and you know the cats can't read it anyway. So I always cut it off so that they can just play with everything they were meant to play with. That is, he's so cute. And look at his little paws. Oh my goodness. Y'all, the cape with the unicorn horn. Really? Jelly Bean, look, baby. Jelly Bean, you are covering everything in the box, dude. How am I supposed to get anything out? And look how it's got a little elastic. Jelly Bean, are you going to play with the toy, or are you just going to lay there on top of everything all night? Okay, I got to try to pull something out. What is this? It's something big. Okay, he's totally squished on that. Let me see what this is. Hold on, buddy. Oh! Okay, another cat toy flew out. My shirt just keeps flying forward because I'm like, oh my goodness, you guys look at this. This says it is a cat-o'-lantern catnip cat toy. Brave and scaredy cats alike will drool for this cute cat-o'-lantern. Stuffed with ultra premium catnip, this fun pumpkin is sure to be a Meowoween hit. Yes, it will. You guys, look at this. It's by Imperial Cat. The other one... The other one is by... It must just be made for the Cat Lady box because it doesn't have any other name on there. So that's cool. Dude, look. Do you like it? Where's everybody else? You're always the only one here. Okay, here's something for Mom. It's a t-shirt. And it's... Oh, look. It's black and it's got this pink on it, and it's got like a cat walking in front of a window. I love it. Look how cute that is. And it's good for all year round. You don't have to wear it just for Halloween. And it's V-neck. Awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited with that. Do you like it, buddy? Mommy's gonna wear that. I have to wash it first. Okay, what else is in here? There's something really big in here, guys. Let me try to pull that out first. Jelly Bean, can Mommy pull that out, baby? Let Mommy pull this out. I know, it's very comfy, isn't it? It's mushy. Whatever it is, it's very mushy. Okay, I have to pull it out though, because everybody's waiting. My ears are on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that. The ears are last. I'm saving the best to last, or at least what I think is the best before I've seen anything else. Okay, this is interesting. Don't fall, sweetheart. I don't want you to fall. Okay. Oh my goodness, what is this? What is that? Oh, it's a pillow. Look, it's a black cat pillow, and it's got a tail on it. And it's very velvety and mushy. Oh my goodness. I love them. So now when Jelly Bean won't come cuddle with me, I can cuddle this little guy, huh? You guys, I don't want to get it too close to me because I'm going to rub makeup all over it. But oh my goodness. That's his little eyes. And that's exactly how Smudgy is too. And Spooky Scout. You look at him from across the room, all you can see is little eyes. I love it. Oh my goodness. Do you love it? I know you was laying on it and Mommy took it off from under you. I'm so sorry, baby. We're gonna let you have it back, I promise. It's not yet. Okay, my ears. Oh my goodness. And they let us pick between silver and gold. And I usually pick like silver stuff, but I thought that the gold might look really good with my hair. So I got the gold one. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear these tomorrow. I cannot wait. You guys, and they're always such good quality. Okay, let me tell you what I'm liking about it. Normally when you get ears, they end like right in that spot where it hurts. But this one, it's coming down. It's further down and it's curling out so that it's not poking you in any way. These are amazing. You guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Some new ears for market. Oh my goodness. Dorian, if you guys are ever looking for ear testers, this is absolutely my favorite thing that I get out of the entire year. I just live for the ears. I do. I swear I do. Okay, now, usually that's all that's in here. Let me double check. Oh, no, there's something else in here. Thank goodness I looked. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see what this is. Ooh. Do you see how it says CatLadyBox? Sort of. It's a bangle. I don't know. I have big everything. I know y'all think I'm just being crazy, but I'm serious. We'll have to see how this fits. Because most things are like just way too small on me. All right. Ooh. Sorry. Okay, hold on. Okay, actually, that's not bad. It wasn't bad to go on, and it's not small. In fact, I would probably wear it like that. It's not too small for me. So I could totes wear it. I mean, you could wear it like that too. You could just leave it like a bangle. But for me, it's like when I'm typing, that's whenever stuff will bother me. So if I put it up here while I'm typing, oh, y'all, I love it. And I love my ears, and I love my shirt, and I love the cat toys, and I love this pillow. Y'all, this month is like amazeballs. Am I right or am I right? I just can't quit this box. I can't quit this box. First of all, I am like the penultimate cat lady. Did I even say that right? Because I think that might be one of the first times I've ever said that word out loud in my life. I'm very happy. Thank you so much, Dorian. I know that you have someone who is your partner in the box, and I never remember her name because I didn't know you had a partner in the box until like very recently. And I'm terrible with names, which is really embarrassing and awful. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I love everything. Thank you so much. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for always watching. I love y'all so much. Mwah.